Hi everyone, hope you're doing good. My name is Ian Okech. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the tension between privacy rights and public rights to information. I'm also gonna be talking about some of the real life breaches, some of the journalist dilemmas, and some of the consequences. In this digital age, every individual is a potential front page story. So, the tension between individuals' right to privacy and public rights to information forms one of the modern journalism critical and ethical battleground. So I'm gonna be telling you a story back in 2004 about Campbell and the Mirror Group newspaper. In 2004, Naomi Campbell sued the Mirror Group newspaper for allegedly publishing her photos, pictures, videos, and details of her coming from a narcotic anonymous meeting. This created tension, and the UK House of Lords came up with the following rulings. The House of Lords decision provided definite legal framework for this balance. The ruling recognized the rights of Naomi, rights to her privacy regarding details of her addiction, and the second is it to upheld media's right to correct a previous public denial about drug use. Some of the real life breaches include suicidal note in 2019, whereby a major Kenyan newspaper faced major backlash by the public for allegedly publishing the content of a celebrity deceased content, which was suicidal note. So while the news about the deceased was going on, producing suicidal notes created and was highly condemned by the public and was seen as a violation of the family's privacy and dignity, serving public curiosity, not public interest. Another real life breach is grieving family, whereby in extreme grief or trauma, in funerals, whereby photographers capture private moment of the deceased, the family of the deceased, and in their defense they say that though that was a public space. So I'm gonna be telling you about some of the journalist dilemmas, some of the questions journalists should ask themselves before publishing or before capturing private moments. Number one, is the content necessary for accountability? And does the private behavior directly affects the public duty? And some of the example is a corrupt official affair is relevant, and celebrities' private health struggles, like Naomi. So some of the consequences journalists face is hefty fines, whereby they are sued and fined by the court for publishing somebody's private information. Another one is reputation damages for media outlets. Reputations of the media outlets are highly damaged by this act. And last, loss of public trust. This is the most valuable asset by a journalism in the media field. Thank you for your time. Enjoy.